Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to make a messenger link to your Facebook page so you can copy and paste it to your landing page. Without further ado, let's get started. First, when you're in your profile, Facebook profile, you go to your Facebook page, switch profile to your Facebook page, and then here, in order for you to get here in the general page settings, you just click settings or page details, settings, and then page setup, and then click name. Alright, so let's click edit, and then just type in your username, what username you want. For example, here, just the same with my Facebook page name. Mhm. Alright, so please take note that it shouldn't have invalid characters like special characters here. Alright, so I'm just going a circle. I think that should be enough. Alright, so earlier I'm gonna copy this one. Alright, so done. Napapansin mo ba na kahit busy ka sa work or side hustle, parang ang bilis mo mapagod tapos hirap ka pang mag-focus? Ganun din ako dati, hanggang sa may nadagdag ako sa daily routine ko. Since I'm working online and doing side hustles, sobrang importante sa akin na may energy ako buong araw at hindi ako madaling magkasakit. Kasi kapag wala kang energy or madalas kang sakitin, ang hirap pagtrabaho at kumita. So what I started doing is drinking this daily immune and energy drink na naging part na talaga ng routine ko. Ang gusto ko dito is simple lang siyang gawin and it helps me with supporting my immune system, helping me stay energized during the day, helping me stay focused sa work at online tasks. Hindi na ako naghahanap ng kung ano-anong energy drink, ito na yung naging go-to ko. If you're curious kung ano yung iniinom ko daily, you can check it out here. Just type mjfunnels.com/optijuice or you can also see the link in the description below. And by the way, if you're someone na may online business, side hustle, or digital product and gusto mo ng done for you funnel system para mas automated ang leads and sales, you can also book a call with me or send me a message. So if you want to learn more about the drink I use daily, check out mjfunnels.com/optijuice. And if you want help building your done for you funnel, just click the link mjfunnels.com or you can check the links in the description below. Oh, sorry. Let's go back to it, just checking page setup like that. Alright, so now you have a username. So once you're good with your username, just copy your username and then this is the messenger button. I mean messenger website. You just copy paste. Yeah, after you copy your username, you paste it here, the example on the example page. Alright. So that's it. That's your messenger button on your Facebook page. So let's just copy and then I'm gonna paste it on my landing page like this. Alright. And then that's good. That's good to go. Click save and publish. Alright. Hope it helps. That's all. Thank you for watching.